say beautiful or beauty in Hiligaynon. They are guapa, tahum, and anyag. Guapa, tahum, anyag. Both of them, the three of them, means beautiful or beauty in English. Let us have the following. When we say guapa, once again, that means beautiful. Guapa. Guapa. Kagwapa sa imo. That means you are beautiful. Imo is you or your. Kagwapa sa imo, you are beautiful. Kagwapa-gwapa gidya sa imo. When we say gwapa-gwapa, double beautiful, that means very beautiful. Gid is kind of like a word that we add to make it more. It's like an emphasis word. Sa imo or simo. So, kagwapa-gwapa gidya sa imo, or you can also say kagwapa-gwapa gidya simo. It's kind of like a contraction of sa imo, simo. Kagwapa-gwapa gidya simo. Kagwapa sa iya. So, sa iya is he or she. It's gender neutral. Sa iya, iya. Gwapa is beautiful. So, kagwapa sa iya or kagwapa siya. It's kind of like a contraction. Kagwapa siya or kagwapa sa iya. Gwapa kaya. That means you are beautiful. Iya, gwapa kaya. It means you are beautiful. Gwapa kaya. Iya or ya is like an emphasis word. Gwapa kagid imo ya or gwapa kagid imo iya. That means you really are beautiful. Gwapa kagid imo iya or gwapa kagid imo ya. It's kind of like a contraction. Kagwapa-gwapa gidya sa iya or kagwapa-gwapa gidya siya. It means he or she is really beautiful or very beautiful. Kagwapa-gwapa gidya sa iya or kagwapa-gwapa gidya siya. Kagwapa-gwapa gid sang akon asawa. Asawa means husband or wife. It's gender neutral. Akon is my or mine. So, akon asawa is my husband or my wife. But in this sentence, it means wife. Kagwapa-gwapa gid sang akon asawa. That means my wife is very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Kagwapa sang mga bulak mo. So, you can also use gwapa for flowers. Kagwapa sang mga bulak mo. Bulak is flower, mo is your or yours. Kagwapa sang mga bulak mo. Mga is kind of like a word added to make. Bulak plural. When you say bulak, that's only singular. Mga is added to make it plural. Kagwapa sang mga bulak mo or sang mga kabulakan mo. Kagwapa sang mga kabataan mo. Kabataan are children. So, kagwapa sang mga kabataan mo. Your kids are beautiful. Kagwapa sang mga kabataan mo. Kagwapa gid sang mga kabataan mo. That means your kids are really beautiful. Kagwapa gid sang mga kabataan mo. Kaanyag sa imo. That means you are beautiful, but kaanyag or maanyag is like next level. So, gwapa and maanyag. So, maanyag is more flowery in a way. So, kaanyag sa imo, you are beautiful. Kaanyag means beautiful. Like you say, oh, kaanyag means beautiful. Kaanyag. Kaanyag gidya sa imo or kaanyag gidya simo. Kaanyag gidya sa imo or kaanyag gidya simo, you are beautiful. When we say tahum, that's the next level for maanyag or anyag. It also means beautiful. Tahum. Tahum-tahum means very beautiful. Tahum-tahum gid, very, very beautiful. Katahum sa imo, that means you are beautiful. Katahum sa imo or katahum simo. Katahum gidya sa imo, that means you really are beautiful. Katahum gidya sa imo or katahum gidya simo. Katahum gidya sa iya. So, iya is he or she. It's gender neutral. Katahum gidya siya or katahum gidya sa iya. He or she is beautiful. But in this sentence, it's she katahum gidya sa iya or katahum gidya siya. Tahom-tahom gid sa imo ya or tahom-tahom gid ya simo ya. That means you really are beautiful. Tahom-tahom gid sa imo ya or tahom-tahom gid simo ya. Katahom sang lugar nga ini. So that means this place is beautiful. Lugar is place. So this is ini. Katahom sang lugar nga ini. This place is beautiful. Katahom sang inyo balay. That means your house is beautiful. Inyo is your or yours. Balay is house. Katahom sang inyo balay. Your house is beautiful. Or katahom-tahom gid sang inyo balay. That means your house is really beautiful or very beautiful. Gid is added to make it more intense. Katahom gid sang inyo balay or katahom-tahom gid sang inyo balay. And then another one is guwapa ka. Are you beautiful? Guwapa ka. Guwapa bala siya or guwapa bala sa iya. Is he or she beautiful? But in this case, it's more of a she. Guwapa bala siya or guwapa bala siya sa iya. Next one is guwapa man ako. That means am I beautiful? Guwapa man ako or guwapa man bala ako. Am I beautiful? Guwapa bala ako. Am I beautiful? Matahom man ako. That also means am I beautiful? Matahom man ako or matahom man bala ako. Sa pamatyagan mo, guwapa ka. Do you think you are beautiful? Pamatyagan is like think. Sa pamatyagan mo, guwapa ka. Do you think you are beautiful? Guwapo or guwapohon, that means handsome. Guwapo, guwapohon. Kagwapo sa imo or kagwapo simo, that means you are handsome. Kagwapo sa imo or kagwapo simo, or you can also say kagwapo gid sa imo or kagwapo gid simo. That means also you are handsome, you are very handsome. Kagwapo gid sa imo or kagwapo gid simo. Kagwapo sa iya, he is handsome. Kagwapo gid sa iya, that means he really is handsome. Kagwapo gid sa iya or kagwapo gid siya. Gwapo-gwapo kagid imo ya. Gwapo-gwapo kagid imo ya, that means you really are very handsome. Gwapo, double gwapo, so very handsome. Gwapo-gwapo kagid imo ya or gwapo-gwapo kagid imo iya. Last one is gwapohon gid ang akon bana or ang akon asawa. So my husband is handsome. Gwapohon gid ang akon bana, that means husband, and asawa is gender neutral. Gwapohon gid ang akon bana or gwapohon gid ang akon asawa.